okay, cool, I want to change, there's stuff I need to change here. Or like, for instance, this sticky bar, how it kind of like, would you put like a black bar over the top and just code that into cursor?
Yeah, so I mean that's a bit of a tricky one to like describe everything. I think when
Yeah.
we went over this, I did another run through after we jumped off the call and just make sure that the keywords were a bit better. Like you can probably see that now it's targeting tree loppers and stuff like that too, right? So the thing that I would say is probably the best practice for you to do for design would be just to find a website that you like, that you think does really well, and then just
Hmm.
use that as a precedent. Like, for example, see how they do their navigation bar, and then basically ask Cursor to do one with a similar structure. Obviously, this website will have a different style, like the text colors and the font, and stuff
Yeah.
like that. But you just want the same style. That's usually a good way to do it,
Right.
rather than just make it up.
Okay, cool. So you could basically just find a reference website you like, and then you could paste it and be like, design the website like this or like in this style.
Exactly. Like I would say, like if we were going from a technical perspective, though, Google doesn't like it when things aren't readable. So that's like a rule. So if you when you scroll down and the text becomes unreadable or difficult to read, then
Yeah.
Google won't like that. And so that's like negative customer or user experience points. So like that's what I would be thinking about. And so I would either just not make it scrollable, or I would, like you said, put like some sort of blue bar, make a blue bar come up when it scrolls past the hero section so that the you can read it, something like
Yeah.
that.
And if you're not happy with things that it says, like for instance, if it's, like I don't know, there's like a part here you're not happy with where it says like 3 steps to a tidy site or something, or it's like,
Yep.
do you change that yourself, or do you say like to reference the SEO doc and change it?
I will just screenshot it and put it in because the thing is like oftentimes this stuff is referenced. I mean, the same section might be on multiple pages, so it's better to screenshot it so it will update everything at once, or like just to copy and paste the text, be like, hey, there's this section on the home page. I don't like the text here for this reason. Can you update it? And then any related sections. It's much better than updating it yourself because just you might have other related things on the website that the AI knows about that you don't. And so it'll just
Yeah.
update everything much faster.